this fridge out. New fridge. New Prada bag, I forgot what I said. Good morning all. Today's Wednesday and it's the day our new fridge arrives. So, I have a meeting at 8 o'clock, which is in a couple of hours, and I need to clear out this fridge. This is where our fridge is. So it's located, please ignore the garden stuff, but just off of the kitchen here. And we've ordered a slightly larger one. So I think it's gonna have to go here where the TV is right now. So I'm gonna move this table over a bit, get this washing stuff out of the way, and clear this fridge out. And put it into bags. It's battered, look at it. Even the phone's coming through. We had a shelf here for drinks and stuff that broke. And I need to clean out the freezer as well, and they're going to take that away. So that's the first job. And then I got some stuff underneath all this rubbish. Here is a box, and I got some stuff from Amazon to help me organize. So let me do that, but you're flashing at me, so I need to get the other camera charger. My fingers are burning, so cold. The freezer's now completely clear. That's just some ice that is pretty much in blocks. So we're going to get rid, you can see how stuff's stained in there, so cannot wait for the new one. Now to tackle the fridge, which hopefully shouldn't be too bad. So I've got these two bags here I use for shopping, but they're like cooler bags. So hopefully it'll keep the stuff nice and cold. And we've got to clear it out. Okay, that didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. The fridge is now clear and we just wait for the new fridge. I'm going to take the bins out because I put some old sauces and stuff like that in there, so I don't want that to smell. So we can take the bins out and then we wait for the new one. I do need to move this, which I think for now I'm just going to move in front of here, and then we will organise the new fridge. I'm so excited about this. I don't know if anyone gets me, but we used to have a lot of milk in this house, and so, well, we still do, but these shelves here, we used to put 6 pints of milk on, and that's quite a lot. What was in my hair? Probably a bit of food. And that's quite a lot, and it weighed this down so much that it broke. So we've been having to keep the milk on like these shelves. I mean, it looks disgusting. I really do apologize, but the new one's gonna look great. But yeah, we used to have to keep them on here, like in front of these shelves, and so we couldn't really store much back there. I tried to, but then stuff would get forgotten. So having the new shelves in the fridge is gonna be a game changer for us. And this fridge is really old anyway. It did need an update. And the new fridge is going to be so much more organised, especially with some of the new stuff that I got. So let's wait until that comes and then we can do a bit more organising. I managed to fit, thankfully, everything into these 2 bags for the fridge. And then the freezer stuff is overloaded here. But if anything starts to melt or leak, at least it's over there by the sink. So now I have my meeting. So I'm gonna go do that, move some stuff around, unload. I did a bunch of washing yesterday, as you can see. So anything that's dry, I'm gonna put away so that there's less stuff around in here. So that when the guys come to put the fridge in and take the old fridge away, it's a little bit more organized. Okay, the new fridge is in, fits here perfectly. Got my Amazon stuff there that needs to unpack to tidy. I'm gonna put the fridge stuff back in. We have 6 hours until we can turn the fridge on. So we're allowed to put stuff in it. We just can't turn the electricals on until 6. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna unpack everything in. Try and get things organized, which is exciting. But what you want to see, oh, lovely. So that's our water thing. Oh my God, so much more room. And then we've got our oh, this is taped. And then this is, I think, like the cooling drawer. So you put like your cheeses and stuff. And then we have the freezer. So we have a drawer up here. That must be ice in there. And then 2 big bins down there, which is very good. So I'm gonna spend time taking all this stuff out, clearing it up, and then I'm gonna put the food in. But first I need to remove all of this stuff. Oh, and they put them in like that so we can just decide where it goes. Okay, now to open up what I got from Amazon while the baby plays with packaging. Let's do this box first. I've got some lovely containers for the fridge. Few large ones, but not many like medium or small ones, and these all have the bamboo lids. So those all look nice in the fridge when we're storing stuff. I also got some, these are really useful, I'm excited for these, some turntables for our sauces. So when you put them in one of the drawers, I'll show you. So say I just put it here. Let me get some stuff to put in it. I won't make that high, actually. This is good, so then we can adjust to where we want it. So then if I put mayo, ketchup, sriracha in there, you can just spin it and pick your sauce instead of moving things out. So that's good. There's 2 sizes of those. I'm not sure if we'll need both, but I can use it in a different area of the house. Decide on how many sauces we have before I decide on which size to use. And then I've forgotten what this one is, so let's just see. Oh, these are just the acrylic boxes to keep your fruit and veg in the fridge. I've got a set of 4. And they're stuck. So you can stack them in your fridge like that with fruit and veg on top of another, which is good for keeping things organised. Also, so I'm going to get rid of all this packaging. There's a lot. Oh, I got 6. That's good. So when you have like a lot of the same drinks, I'll show you guys how I organise it. But it's going to look very nice. Let me get rid of all of this crap now, and then we'll organise the fridge together. I think, or hope I'm in focus. Anyway, I've emptied everything out into the fridge and the freezer. Didn't put anything in this drawer. I believe it's for like wine and like keeping cheese cool and stuff like that. But we've got a couple cheeses in like the pantry. Anyway, I'm going to go make myself some noodles because putting the food away made me a bit hungry. And I'll give you a tour when I can put the fridge on and like the lights on the inside are all done. And the fridge is on. It's just a bit better, isn't it? And then I'm going to be able to fill up the water tank as well, which will be useful for us to fill up our bottles. So let me make some food because I haven't eaten yet and I'm hungry. And I'm going to have some of these dumplings with some noodles, which you all know is my favourite. I'm going to sit and enjoy my lunch and then I'll get back to you. to fill the new fridge up with more crap. It's very warm. And you're gonna fall if I drive, so I'll see you there. Good morning all. I just had a shower and I put some gradual tan on, so I put a black dress on just in case. I definitely feel like I'm losing my holiday tan, which is annoying. But let's show you the new fridge all done. So not really much to tour you on. We don't actually have that much. Now that it's amazing what was in the other fridge and how this doesn't look that busy. But just like a quick overview, we've got milk, got cat milk and some chili oils here. Got some butter and coleslaw, some sweet treats up here and a couple more here. Go bottom to top. Got some cheeses in one of these cabinets here. Got some Chinese sausage, Asians out there. Some more like snacky meats, some chili tofu. Then we go into here, we've got some fruits. This is put in the wrong place. And then in here we've got some veggies. Not enough for my liking, definitely need to go get some more. We've got this tiny thing for like condiments and stuff like that. So I've obviously got like mayo, ketchup, burger sauce, all of that. Got some kimchi in there, some miso sauce. Also put the jam there because that's actually the only sort of jam that we have. That's the one that I got in Devon. Hadn't actually opened it yet until the other day. Really nice, and obviously it's homemade. Got the boys super malt here. I've got some kombuchas and some to-go coffees. We've got some juice here which we can top up. By the way, M&S clementine juice is delicious. We've got some ready-to-go salads. I love these, and it just helps me eating a little bit healthier. So that's that. We've got some fish, because these don't actually come with any meat or fish or anything. It just comes with the salad, the sauce, croutons and some parmesan, and then I either add in like chicken, like actually sometimes these, sometimes I add in these wings, or sometimes I add in some breaded fish. We've got some potato salad back there that needs to be eaten actually. We've got a clip for no reason, quiche, garlic bread, can't remember what was in here, I don't think there was anything yet. And then I've got some snacky bits, these are just bits from M&S. Also keeps me in line. And then I've got my juice cleanse, which I'm actually going to start today. I thought I would end my video here. And also I forgot to say, I filled up the water tank and it gives us nice chilled water regularly. And it actually takes a lot of water. Like I filled this up, I think 5 times with a jug. So that's actually quite a lot. And as the fridge beeps because I opened it for too long, I am going to leave you guys there. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I've got some exciting stuff from Vestiaire that have just arrived in the last couple of days, and a new Prada bag I also got on Vestiaire as well. So I'm going to show you guys that in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're having a good bank holiday weekend or just a normal weekend wherever you are, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.